What is the process to redeem a McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats?
Hello, and welcome to this guide on how to redeem your McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats. With this step-by-step process, we'll get you using your gift card to enjoy your favorite McDonald's meals in no time.
What you will need.
Firstly, let's get together what you'll need. This includes your McDonald's gift card and the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. If you don't already have the app, you can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store.
Adding the McDonald's gift card to your Uber Eats account.
Now that you've got what you need, let's add the gift card to your account. 1. Open your Uber Eats app and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. 2. Navigate to your account profile, typically found at the bottom right of the screen. 3. Click on Wallet. 4. From here, select Add Payment Method. 5. Now, choose Gift Card from the list of available options. 6. You will see a field to input your gift card details. Enter the number on your McDonald's gift card and, if required, the PIN. 7. Once you've entered your gift card details, click on Save. Congratulations! Your McDonald's gift card has now been added to your Uber Eats account.
Using the McDonald's gift card to place an order.
The next step is to use your gift card to order some delicious McDonald's food. 1. Start by browsing McDonald's menu in the Uber Eats app. 2. Once you've chosen what you want, add the items to your cart. 3. After adding everything you want, proceed to checkout. 4. At the checkout screen, your McDonald's gift card should be automatically selected as the payment method. If it isn't, you can manually choose it by selecting Change next to the payment method. 5. If the total cost of your order is less than the balance on your gift card, the remaining balance will stay on the card for future use. If the total cost is more, you'll need to use an additional payment method to cover the rest. 6. Once everything is in order, place your order. And that's it. Your McDonald's order has been placed using your gift card. So there you have it. A simple and easy guide to redeeming your McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats. We hope this video has been helpful. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and wait for your tasty McDonald's meal to arrive. Enjoy!